On top inside Edo today. Edo don ready sama Naija pipo with Ogbonge National Sport Festival for 2020. Edo State Government don dey put better plans for ground to see say everything set well as dem ready host athletes dem, pipo wey gbadun sport matter for the country to come enjoy better sport for the National Sport Festival wey go shele for 2020. Edo State Government tok say state government don tanda correct facilities for ground to see say sport festival e waka well. As dem tok say Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium don ready gidigba to host Naija pipo next year as the work wey dey shele for the stadium don almost finish. Edo State Government tok say wen una waka for street wey dey Benin City for Edo State, una go see bus dem and taxi wey don dey carry the festival colour. Dem come tok say hotels dem sef don ready to fit take all the visitors and all the pipo wey dey waka come Edo State from different parts of the country unto NSF Edo 2020. Edo State Government come still yarn am say unto dis festival shaking no dey sake of say wey can see Governor Godwin Obaseki administration, e don almost finish the work wey dey shele for National Sports Festival Secretariat, the one wey dey inside the Secretariat building, and the work don waka reach 98%. Dem tok say the other work wey dey shele for different sites on top NSF prepare matter, everything don dey go well as 33 sport activities na im go shele for NSF Edo 2020 sake of say National Council of Sport don approve dis ones. Na here we see the better informate reach on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo today. As e be say Edo State Government don yarn am say dem don ready gidigba to sama Naija pipo with Ogbonge National Sport Festival as all the prepare matter on top dis one don dey go well. Make una come sabi say dis Ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im knack am come give una on top inside Edo today. And if una gbadun dis Ogbonge tori wey una hear so, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Una fit still waka follow us enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media as our website sit down gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.